Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is gonna be another unboxing video, so stay tuned to watch it and comment below for more suggestions. You can also follow me on my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. I'll be leaving all the links below in the description box, so please go check it out and subscribe to my channel, and next to it you'll find a bell button. Click it on so that you'll get my notification whenever I upload my videos. Now let's get into the video. So today I'll be unboxing this. Vaadi Herbals. Most of you guys must have seen these products on Flipkart, Amazon, and all the other Indian online websites. So yeah, let's check it out what all I got in this box. So yeah, this is the box, and I'm gonna read out what all I have ordered. Basically from the original website. I've ordered from the original website, and if you do above 500 and you get free delivery, and also I guess I did for more than 500, so they just sent me lip balm for free and a lip balm pack for free, and yay. So I've got how many, 11 items for 700, I guess. Yeah, I got 11 items for 700. So yeah, let me just show you what all are there and what all I have ordered. So the first one is this Vaadi Herbals under eye cream with almond oil and cucumber extract. Basically I don't have much of under eye circles, but still I wanted to try this out and tell you guys about this eye cream. So basically I'll be doing a review on all these products again, maybe in my future video, so stay tuned, and also click on the bell button so that you'll get a notification. Yay! And if you want to know my braces details, there's a video I've done, so I'll put a link somewhere over here and check it out. So this is the Vaadi Herbals under eye cream, and this was 58 rupees, and there was off of 2 or 4 rupees, so that's the under eye cream. And the next one is the Vaadi Herbals lavender shampoo and corn rose conditioner with hibiscus extract. So I got 2 shampoos. This is for 128 rupees. I mean, you're getting conditioner and shampoo. Basically Vaadi Herbals are the natural products, and they are bit of very very inexpensive, so everyone can afford them, and they are also very travel friendly. So this is the Vaadi Herbals lavender shampoo. This smells quite good, and the conditioner smells really good. I love the conditioner smell though, because more than the lavender, I love the conditioner. So yay. And the next products are, I took this 2 aromatherapy body oil. So this is the one I took, this lavender, and the other one is the lemongrass oil. So you can see the difference. This is the bigger pack and this is the smaller pack, because basically me and my sister we use lavender more than lemongrass. So yeah, and you won't believe it, this is for 110 ml, and it will cost you around 110 rupees. I guess this is the very budget friendly aromatherapy oil I have ever known in my life, and the small one is 50 ml, and it will cost you around 60 rupees. So yeah, these are the aromatherapy oils, and they smell good. They smell really good, and yeah, lavender and the lemongrass. They do smell really good. So yeah, and if you guys wanna know, I'll just leave a link below for all this, and if you want to order more, just go to the website and check it out. And the next one is this neem face wash with tea tree extract. I just wanted to try this face wash because I've seen few reviews on this and it smells good, like the tea tree oil. This just smells good, like the Himalaya neem face wash. Like, have you ever smelled it? Like, it's so, and it smells similar to it, and it will cost you 55 rupees for 60 ml, and it's quite budget friendly. This is the one, and I've got 2 lip balms. This is, one is the mint lip balm and the other one is the blueberry lip balm. It is 40 rupees for 10 grams. I just wanted to try them out, and I'll let you know for sure. If you guys want to know the review, let me know. So this is the lip balm. And I've got 2 moisturizers. The one is Tulip Oil Control Moisturizer with green lemon extract, and the other one is the Bamboo Age Defining Moisturizer with grapeseed extract. I just wanted to try this out. The bamboo one I don't smell much, I don't know why, and it's light green in color. Yeah, now it has very tinted fragrance to it, and it's very light. People who don't like the scented moisturizers, you can just go ahead and buy this one, and this is for 58 rupees for 60 ml. And the Tulip Oil Control Moisturizer is again 58 rupees for 60 ml, and they do have the expiry date, the ingredients, usages, everything. So yeah, Vaadi Herbals are doing pretty well, good thing by putting everything, and budget friendly too. And the smell of this is, yeah, the tulip smell. Like, you have that tulip fragrance. Have you ever smelled the tulip scent? It just smells like that. And the last one is this Vaadi Herbals Midnight Blueberry Shower Gel. Look at this, how beautiful it is. Like, look at this pack, and this is quite, I mean, like, for the budget. I mean, let me tell you the cost. This is actually 205 rupees, and you'll get it for 155 rupees. And look at this bottle. This is amazing, and you'll get for how much? 300 ml. Imagine 300 ml for 155 rupees, and it's like so cheap. And let me just smell it. Oh, they do have a seal cap to it. No, I can't smell it. It smells good, not so bad for the shower gel. And yeah, look at this cute bottle. I'm so in love with this. And yeah, blueberries. And there are like many other different shower gels. It depends on your choice, what all you want to buy. And yeah, and they do have handmade soaps and foot creams and a lot more other things. But I just wanted to buy a few things so that I can try out and let you guys know about them. And this one is the free gift what they have sent, because I did like more than 700 rupees shopping. So these are the 4 strawberry lip balms they have sent me. Yay! Basically, I don't need 4 lip balms, but anyway, I'll just try to figure out what to do with this. So yeah, if you guys wanted to buy this Vaadi Herbals, go ahead and try them out and let me know if you have used them before. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like it. Give it a big thumbs up and yay! Love you all. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.